In this video, we're going to show you how to stream on TikTok using your PC and not your phone. All right, so to do this, all you need to do easy is to go to tiktok.com/studio and download the TikTok Live Studio app. As you can see here, you just need to click on free download for Windows. And let's see, it's a bit of a big file. It's over 300 MB, so it's gonna take a few seconds to download. So let's just wait for that. But before we wait for that, let's just see what it does. So as you can see here, you can stream and customize with your widgets, customize your live videos with widgets like Goal, Alert, Chatbox, and more. Easy to get started. So Live Studio provides a beginner's guide and setup tutorial to help you get started with your first TikTok live. Better engagement, engage with your viewers like a pro, using interactive features in your live, including treasure box, live goal, highlight, and more. And you can also, just like Twitch or YouTube live, you can just chat in real time with your viewers. So now that the TikTok Live app has been downloaded, let's just click on that. And let's download. As you can see here, just click yes. And it's just pretty much the same installation process. Just click on install. It's going to be default in your C drive, and let's just wait for it to finish. If you're on TikTok Live, click finish, right? Say yes. As you can see, it's loading up. As you can see, you need to log in to your TikTok account to begin. And yeah, that's how you set it up. That's how you begin. That's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. We'll see you in the next one.